Hi, Professor Naj. This is Christy Slater, and I am going to do my assessment number 3. Here we are. Okay, so I have my friend Luther here. Again, it's Christy Slater, assessment number 3. My friend Luther here. He is number 1 on the, his name is Luther, number 1 off from the Umbrella Academy. I'm not sure if you've ever watched that or not, but it's a really cool show. My children got me on. He's age 43, and he's going to be the space cadet. I am going to be the Earth cadet. So, having said that, here I am Delta T. We don't know what my age is yet. Luther is Delta T0, which he's 43 years. We don't know the gamma factor yet, but the velocity I'm going to set at 90% of the speed of light. The formula we're going to use is right here. That is delta T equals the gamma factor times delta T0. So again, this little sign right here is the delta, or I'm sorry, the gamma factor. And this is the equation for the gamma factor. So it's the gamma factor equals 1 divided by the square root of 1 minus v squared over c squared. V is velocity of the moving FOR, and c is the speed of light in a vacuum. So over here we're going to plug in some numbers. Again, v is half of the speed of light, so we're going to go 90% of that, or 0.9 c. When we plug the numbers in, we have got the gamma factor equals 1 over the square root of 1 minus 0.9 c squared over c squared. So we come down here and we're going to kind of just figure this out a little bit here. So we're going to, gamma factor is 1 divided by the square root of 1 minus 0.81 c squared over c squared. We're going to cancel out the c squares, and what's going to leave us with the gamma factor is 1 divided by 1 minus the square root of 1 minus 0.81. So then as we keep going down, we're going to go 1 is divided by the square root of 0.19 equals 2.2942. So now here we are, we have our formula again. So the gamma factor, this is going to be the gamma factor. So again, the gamma factor equals 2.2942. So we plug that in times the delta T0, which over here we determine is 43 years. So we've got that 2.292 times 43 years. That comes to the delta T, which is myself, is 99 years old, Earth cadet. And the space cadet, Luther, is 43 years old. So when Luther returns after 43 years, I will be 142 years old. Long gone. Thank you very much. I don't know if you can actually see me because I'm using a selfie stick for the very first time, but thank you very much. Have a great evening.